You're taking a little shortcut there. You want to jump? That's why I'm here. Oh, that was exciting.
Wow.
Are you filming or?
Yeah.
Okay. You either have to jump or step. You can't do both. Yeah?
You can do it. You can do it. Daddy's letting you do it all by yourself if you want
You want
to.
me to sit down again?
You want to do it all by yourself? You can do it. We saw you. Daddy will just stay there just in case you need help. Just in case.